Hello and welcome to Rocking Paper Plate Snowman. My name is Rosa and I am a librarian at LA County Library. Today we will be doing a rocking snowman. A snowman is a snow sculpture often built in areas with enough snowfall. Common accessories include branches for arms, a simple smiley face, a carrot used for a nose. Clothing such as a hat or scarf may be included. Let's get started. We will need a few items to make our snowman. A paper plate, black piece of paper, orange piece of paper, markers or crayons, scissors, glue, tape, and 2 small tree branches, which is optional. We will start by folding the paper plate in half. Open the paper plate and cut along the fold, making 2 equal parts. You will be able to make 2 snowmen out of 1 plate. Take 1/2 of the paper plate, bring the 2 ends of the paper plate together, making a cone shape. Glue the 2 ends of the paper plate together and hold the ends together until the glue sets. This may take just a few seconds. While we let the glue set, let's cut out our paper hat using the black piece of paper. Cut a rectangular shape, one that's a little thicker and one that's a little thinner. The thicker one is going to be the top part of the hat. The thinner one is going to be the bottom. Then you want to glue the 2 pieces together. And this is going to be the snowman's paper hat. Using the orange piece of paper, we will be cutting out a triangle, and this is going to be the nose. Now use a piece of paper that you have at home, any color will do, and cut a nice thick strip, rectangular strip of paper, and that's going to be the scarf. It needs to go across the paper plate. Cut a V shape towards the bottom, just so it looks a little bit more like a scarf. And now we can glue all the accessories. We are ready to add some eyes. So get your markers or crayons, add eyes and buttons. And if you'd like to add a smile, you can do that also. And we will be adding the branches now with some tape. 1 branch on each side. And make sure you tape securely. And you have completed your paper plate rocking snowman. Here are some samples. Now you can look around the house and see what you have available. Be creative. You do have another half of paper that you can use. Here are a few that were done with yarn, ribbon, pom-poms, buttons, and silly hats. Be creative. Have fun. Have you ever wondered, what is snow made of? How does it form? Read and learn all about it. Learn about the ways in which snow can be used, enjoyed, and the problems snow causes. Here are some recommended titles. We hope that you enjoyed Rocking Paper Plate Snowman. Click the link in the description for upcoming programs. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.